emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Killbuck, 8 miles southwest of Millersburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Killbuck, Glenmont, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Baltic, and Charm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Holmes, Ohio,